Alright, we're getting one step closer. Those who are familiar with the Deisel Geek short shifter, excellent piece. Not complaining anything about it. You know that this is for a Mark IV only. And obviously we have a Mark II here. That isn't, you know, using the hydraulic setup. We're using the S&P actuator setup. So what we ended up having to do is shave this. You want to go through the gears? I'm going to show you why we had to show it. Beforehand, you had this big old chunk here. You had a big old chunk there. Whoops, it's not focusing. That's in reverse, right? Alright. So originally it would go through 1st through 5th, no issues. But when you go into reverse, it obviously has to go all the way down here. And then it goes back, right? Well, this had a chunk of metal.
Little bit of a notchy shift.
Right through here. We had to shave that off so we could be able to get in reverse. And we tried adjusting it and adapting it any which way, but that's what we ended up coming up with. Overall, excellent piece. Before Mark II swap with the O2J, that's what we had to end up doing. Little situation yonder. She leaking fuel, guys. Interesting.